Hello everyone, it's Annie here at the QA Online Academy. I'm so happy to see you again. Before we start, make sure you've solidly reviewed our last lesson on match statements. Logic builds on logic after all. Today, we're mastering the while loop. In Python, we have two main ways to loop, for and while. While loops are powerful because they let us repeat actions as long as a condition remains true. In this example, we print I as long as it's less than 6. We start I at 1, and crucially, we increment it by 1 in every step so the loop eventually finishes. Sometimes you need to stop a loop early, even if the condition is still true. For that, we use the break statement. Here, as soon as I reaches 3, the break statement triggers and kills the loop immediately, preventing any further numbers from being printed. What if you just want to skip one specific turn but keep the rest of the loop running? That's where continue comes in. In this snippet, when I equals 3, the continue statement skips the print function and jumps straight back to the top for the next iteration. Python also allows an else block with while loops. This code runs once when the loop's condition finally becomes false. When I is no longer less than 6, the else block executes. Note that if you stop a loop with a break, this else block will not run. Time for your challenge. Open PyCharm on your computer. I want you to create a loop that prints even numbers from 2 to 10. Great job! Here's the solution. We start at 2 and increment by 2 in each loop to capture all the even numbers up to 10. You're doing amazing! Our next chapter will be all about Python for loops, so don't miss it. Go back and practice today's material whenever you have free time. Please join and subscribe to our channel for more QA insights, and definitely leave your feedback. We love hearing from you. Here are our links. I'm so proud of your progress today. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!